Wayne fell off his bicycle. He's in the casualty department at the local hospital. Dr. Singh is examining him.
Hello. Wayne, isn't it? You've had a bit of a fall. What were you doing? Going too fast?
Yes, Doctor. I fell off going round a corner.
You'd better get undressed then, and we'll take a look at you. That's a nasty cut. I'll have to put a couple of stitches in that.
I've got a cut here too, Doctor.
It looks worse than it is. It's only a graze. The nurse will clean it up for you. It'll sting, but that's all. Now, does it hurt anywhere else?
I've got a pain in my arm. It's very sore and it feels stiff.
Well, there's nothing broken, but you bruised your shoulder. It'll be sore for a few days. Now, did you bang your head at all?
Yes, I did. I fell onto the bike, but it doesn't hurt now.
Did you feel dizzy?
No, not at all.
Look up there. I'm just going to shine this light in your eye. No, that's fine. I'll just do the stitches and the nurse will put a dressing on it. Then you can go home.
It's about time. Janet and Bruce live in London. Janet's younger sister, Pam, who lives in Edinburgh, is flying down to spend the weekend with them.
Bruce, I think it's time to go and meet Pam at the airport.
Oh, no, we've no need to hurry. There's plenty of time. It's only 8:30. There won't be much traffic at this time of night.
You never know. And I think your watch must be slow. I make it 8:40. And you'll have to stop for petrol. I'd sooner we were too early than too late.
It'll take her a while to get her luggage.
Oh, come on, Bruce. It's time we were leaving. We can always have a coffee at the airport. Anyway, I like watching people at the airport.
I'd rather see the end of the football match. But never mind. We'd better go. Janet, hold on a minute. There's the phone.
You haven't got time to answer it now. Ignore it.
No, I'd better see who it is. It might be important. Bruce McGregor speaking. Oh, Pam! We were just on our way to fetch you. Oh, no. Hold on. I'll get Janet.
Pam, where are you?
I'm still in Edinburgh. The flight's been delayed.
You caught us just in time. We were about to leave for the airport.
I know. Bruce said so. I'm glad I phoned. You'd have had a long wait otherwise.
When will you be leaving, do you think?
Oh, not for an hour at least. Look, don't bother to come out to the airport.
It's no trouble. We'll meet you.
No, I'd rather you didn't. Honestly.
Now, don't be silly, Pam. We'll collect you.
No, Janet. I'd rather get a taxi.
We'll be there, Pam. See you later.
Oh, it's nearly 12:30.
Well, we couldn't let her find her own way. Not at this time of night.
She knows how to look after herself. That plane landed half an hour ago. It's about time she was here.
It always takes ages to get your luggage.
I know. It's about time they did something about it. Last time it took me longer than the flight.
Oh, Bruce! There she is.
About time, too.
Pam! Pam, over here!
I'll go and bring the car round. I won't be long.
Well, Pam, what would you rather do tomorrow morning? Lie in or go shopping?
This morning, you mean? I'd rather go shopping, but there's no need for you to get up and come with me. I'd rather you had a lie in. You must be tired out.
I'm a bit tired, but I'll meet you for lunch. There's a new restaurant just off Kensington High Street. Do you think you'll be able to find your way there?
Oh, Janet, it isn't as if this were my first visit to London. You can tell me where it is in the morning.
The circus is coming.
This is RW2, Watermouth's own independent radio station. In the studio with me this morning is Sally Farnham, the daughter of circus owner Bertie Farnham. Farnham Circus will be here in Watermouth for 2 weeks. That's right, isn't it, Sally?
Yes, that's right. We open tomorrow for 2 weeks.
Has the circus arrived yet, Sally?
No, not yet. It's on the road somewhere between Sampool and here.
I suppose there's a lot to be done between now and the first show.
Yes, that's right. I've already been here for 3 days. There were all the advance arrangements to be made. It's like preparing for a small invasion.
What sort of things have you done?
Oh, there are so many things to be done, you know. There are posters to be put up, newspaper ads to be arranged, casual labour to be hired, and so on.
When will the circus actually arrive?
In the next hour or so. The first truck should be arriving any time now, and then the hard work really begins.
Most people love the circus, don't they? But not many realise how much work there is, do they?
That's right. We'll be working all day and half the night. It's a bit like moving a small army. But fingers crossed, by tomorrow morning everything will have been set up in time for the afternoon performance. Oh, there's the grand parade through the town centre at 11:30, so don't forget to come and see us.
Thank you, Sally, for coming in to talk to us. Now, don't forget, folks, the grand circus parade will start from the pier at 11:30, go along the promenade, through the gardens, and finish in Jubilee Park. Farnham Circus will be in town for 2 weeks, until the 28th of August. Now for some music.
Getting things done. Tim, that bathroom tap's still dripping. It's getting on my nerves. I thought you said you were going to fix it.
Oh, yes. The washer needs replacing.
Why don't you replace it then?
It's not as easy as that. I'll try and do it next week.
But you said that last week.
I know. I think you'd better phone for a plumber and get it done. I'm not really quite sure how to do it.
It's Tuesday morning. Peter Dawson has just returned to the office after his business trip to Lyon. Look at the notes and listen to her report.
Good morning, Amanda. Could you come in for a minute, please?
Good morning, Mr. Dawson. Did you have a good trip?
Yes, thank you. Were there any messages from me yesterday?
Yes, quite a few. Shall I just run through them?
Please.
Jenny phoned. She said she wouldn't be in till Friday.
Oh. Why is that?
She said she had flu. She'd seen the doctor.
Right. Go on.
Then Mr. Watkins called. He said he couldn't make the meeting this afternoon, but would ring you on Wednesday.
Okay.
Godfrey came in looking for you. He said he wanted Friday off.
Did he?
Yes. He told me his grandmother had died and he'd have to go to the funeral.
Oh, dear. I'd better see him later.
And Wadley's garage called. They said your new car wasn't ready.
Oh, no. Why on earth not?
They said there was a strike at the factory yesterday.
Again?
After lunch, Miss Dobson phoned. She said that Western Video Systems had to cancel their last order because their customers had changed their minds.
Pity.
Mr. Gonzales called from Mexico to say he might be in London from the 21st to the 25th. He said he wanted to see you then.
Oh, good. I hope he can make it.
And then a lady phoned, Samantha Ellis. She asked you to phone her as soon as possible. She said it was urgent.
Ah, Samantha. I wonder what she wants.
Oh, and just before 5, Mr. Berry phoned. He told us not to supply Mason & Co. until further notice. He said it was important, and that he would explain later.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Coffee?
Please, that would be nice.
A few questions.
Who's there?
The police. Open up.
Hold on a minute. I'm in the bathroom.
Come on, open up.
Oh, Sergeant Grimes. What can I do for you? Is this a social call?
Very funny, Harry. I've got a few questions to ask you. Can I come in for a minute?
Have you got a search warrant?
No. Why? Do I need one? Have you got anything to hide then, Harry?
No, nothing at all. Come in. Questions, you said? Well, fire away.
Just a routine check, Harry, that's all. Just a routine check. Were you in a Mile End Road last night?
No.
Have you been there recently?
No, I haven't. Why? Has there been any trouble?
I think I'll ask the questions, Harry. Where were you last night?
I was in the pub. Pig and Whistle.
Did anybody see you?
Oh, yes. I've got plenty of witnesses.
Witnesses, Harry? You haven't been accused of anything? Yet? Why do you need witnesses?
I don't, Sergeant, I don't. I was with some of my mates.
I didn't know you had any, Harry. Who were they?
Let me think. Tommy Ferret, Albert Bloggs, and,
What? Albert the Boot Bloggs? I thought he was still inside.
No, they let him out last week. He got 2 years remission for good behaviour. Oh, yes, Sid Parker was there too.
What time did you get there? And what time did you leave?
I suppose I got there about 7 and left at closing time.
Did you come straight home?
Yeah.
How did you get here? Did you drive?
Oh, no. I'd had a few drinks. I'd never drive under the influence of alcohol, Mr. Grimes. You know me. Think before you drink, before you drive. That's what I always say.
Very good, Harry, very good. By the way, is that your car outside, the red Granada?
That's right. I've got all the papers. I can prove it's mine.
Nice car. Especially as you're out of work.
Oh, yeah, well, my grandmother died. Left me some money.
I see. Don't mind my asking, do you?
Not at all. I mean, it's your job, isn't it?
Well, how did you get that dent in the front wing, then?
Oh, it happened in a car park. I wasn't there. Someone must have run into it.
Fair enough, Harry. Well, I'll be seeing you. That's all for now.
Tommy, yeah?
Tommy, listen. It's me, Harry. The police have just been round. It was Grimes again. I don't think he knows anything, but he asked a lot of questions. I told him I was with you.
Bloody hell, Harry. Did you have to mention me?
I'm sorry, Tommy, really I am. Look, we'd better check the details in case they come to see you.
What do you mean, in case they come to see me? If I know Grimes, you'll be here any minute. Come on, Harry, tell me exactly what he asked you and what you told him.